ABU Media Summit Indonesia 2024, the gala award ceremony of the ABU Together for Planet People Peace.
We stand together in this world we call our home.
Menampilkan Cakraka,
jadikan aku
Putri Aryani,
Break my heart, break my heart, make
Maria
me
Pudesa,
aku pernah berjuang.
Jos Florentino,
yang ditinggal pergi.
Gus Teja. 7 Agustus 2024, jam 8 malam, waktu Indonesia Tengah. Live dari Sakala Resort Bali, Indonesia. Disiarkan juga di Pro 1 dan juga Pro 2 FM seluruh Indonesia.
Together we take action to save the planet.
Lawan samudra terbentang khatulistiwa, di situ ku ada bersamamu saudara.
Beragam warna kita, suku tak selalu sama.
Kau aku Indonesia yang disatukan karena cinta. Karena kita Indonesia.
afternoon teman Pro 2. Welcome back to English Corner.
Listen us to know the word more. Hi, how are you, everybody? How are you? Kakak Iren? How are you?
I'm fine,
teman Pro 2?
thank you.
And yeah, this is us again with you,
Yeah.
teman Pro 2 with Riz Mallory and also
Iren Amora.
And yeah, as usual, today we have a topic that we will discuss in 1 hour ahead. So listen us until the end of time,
That's
because
right.
this is very interesting topic, and maybe it will remind you your childhood,
Okay.
or maybe you have several experience before, that relate to our topic today.
Yes, that's right, because we are going to talking about games.
Yes,
But not Mobile Legend.
Not related to
Or others, yeah?
digitalization, but our
Okay.
old traditional games.
Okay, so
What is
don't
that?
go away.
Yeah,
Stay
still.
tuned here.
All singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party that's a no.
Just bought the Kenny about a million options. So it's talking to stop doing the agreement. I rock arenas, bringing the peace. I'm bumping that park in the car, pretending I got all the eyes on me. Got a bad baby and she's independent. Too many people older than me that's seeking attention. When they want me about the goofies, man, I should've listened. And the smell of the money, my strangest addiction.
She tit for dick, I let her lit, I had to dip. I'm off a fifth, I'm rich now. I bought a whip, I paint a paint, it drive itself. The fuck you think? Yeah, I'm rich now. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party that's a no.
I've been in the club and taking shots. If you get your mask off in the photo, you getting crap. Hopping out the front, shut the CVS is like a block away. Bought a moisturizer, my ice cold is dry on my face. Don't need that VVS, my ice is fake. Your life is fake. I choose to do it for my pocket's sake. You're basing your opinions on what the major says. I renovate the bad energy I erase.
Yeah, I don't really ever wanna top. Only really ever wanna top. Guess I'm going back to the side. At least this money never really stop. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party that's a no.
Pro 2 FM.
Hey, this is Taylor Swift.
This is Brendan from Panic at the Disco.
I'm the only one of me.
Baby, that's the fun of you.
So I'm far away. I've never been so wide away. No, nobody but me can keep me safe. I'm on my way.
My name is Alan Walker.
Give it up for Sabrina Carpenter.
Please welcome Marshmallow and Churches.
Every day, you're saying the words that I want you to say. I'm on my way. Such a
You're listening to
Pro 2 Singaraja.
Teman terbaik kamu.
'Cause I need you here with me.
Culture shapes the way people see the world and can be taught as the way in which people preserve society and meet a range of human needs. Their belief systems, behaviors, and traditions are only a few factors that make up a culture. It is easy to be unaware of the tremendous impact culture plays in our life when we are surrounded by individuals who share the same assumptions and shared values. We may experience culture shock when we find ourselves in a culture different from the one we are accustomed to. Culture shock is the feeling of disorientation experienced by someone when they are suddenly subjected to an unfamiliar culture and way of life. It can be caused by a range of things, both big and small, such as unfamiliar clothing and hand gestures, strange food, difficult language barriers, getting lost in a new city, or making a cultural false path because you didn't know the local custom. This unfamiliarity can lead to symptoms such as confusion, anxiety, frustration, loneliness, and homesickness. It can even lead to physical symptoms such as insomnia as a result of time zone changes, or colds and stomach bugs due to unfamiliar foods and bacteria.
Corner.
Listen us to know the word more.
Yes, and today, as we previously said, and maybe for you who listen us just now,
Yes.
we will talk about traditional games, especially in Bali, because we know that each places, in this world, or maybe in Indonesia, has their own traditional games. But we will specifically talk about Balinese traditional games.
Yes,
that
that's
we
right.
know. Or maybe Kakak Iren, do you ever did you still remember what kind of traditional games that you ever played before in your childhood?
Actually, kites.
Kites. Oh my God! You kind of you go boy, or in between.
Between of
Mix
that,
ya.
okay.
Okay, kites. Yeah, this is a kind of traditional games also, cards, and then we know as what's it, cingklak.
Yes,
Cingklak,
cingklak.
and
But in
then-
Indonesia we call congklak.
Congklak,
okay.
yeah, or and then dengkleng. What's kind of dengkleng? We use,
Dengkleng. What is
in
dengkleng,
Indonesia,
yeah? In Indonesia,
we call
yeah,
as
dengkleng.
Dengkleng, yeah.
Is it right, dengkleng?
Yeah, we use
it's
just
same.
our step. Yeah, we play with our steps in the floor, or maybe in the what's that, yard, something like
Yeah.
that. And then also we know what else, Kak Iren?
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek, yes,
yeah.
the most popular.
In Bali, what we call is it kringkep?
Kringkep,
Kringkep. Petak umpet in Indonesia.
Yes, that's right, and that's my favorite, one of my favorite games when I childhood.
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
Okay.
Yeah, and then also many using egrang. And then, yeah, he's using a kind of bamboo or something like that. And now we will talk one of the most also. This is we can say the most popular traditional games in Buleleng. Yeah, we said it's in Buleleng.
In Panji.
In
Yeah?
Panji
Panji
village.
village.
We call it maguak.
Mengguak-guakan. Yes, it
Yeah.
especially held when
A
a
day
day
after-
Nyepi. It's called ngembak geni,
Ngembak
ya,
geni.
silent day.
Silent day in Panji or Sukasada district, yeah, Panji village.
Okay.
And yes, as we said, is maguak-guakan is derived from the word goak, yeah, that means a kind of bird, yeah. We call it crow, yeah, crow.
Crow, yes, that's right.
Crow is or goa or
Gagak,
gagak
yeah.
in Indonesia. So this is yes, derived from that word, and also how to play it. We can explain you little, yeah, maybe for you teman Pro 2 who never maybe see or maybe played this game, yeah. This is a kind of traditional games that's usually played by 6 or 7 players
Oh, yeah.
in a line.
Okay.
Yeah, not only children actually, Kakak Iren. It
Yeah.
also can be played by what's that?
Adults.
Yeah, this for all ages.
Ages, yes.
And also 6 player will make a line, and then and then the left one is
Okay.
play as the role as goak.
Goak, okay.
So how to play it, Kak Iren?
And then goak and the line, yeah.
6 line.
Yes. will hold the waist of the person actually in
Yes,
front
tightly,
of
yeah.
tightly, yes, and then the one in the front position is the head of the line.
Yes, that's
and then
true.
then Goak will carry out his role by trying to capture the person in the back
The back,
row. Yeah.
the I
Okay.
can say the tail.
Yeah. So to determine the winner, so where the Goak catch the person in the back the row.
Yeah,
Okay.
as much as the Goak can, as many as Goak can catch or capture the people in a line, it can be said as Goak is the winner, isn't it? So the more people call in the line, the Goak will be declared as the winner. And also, actually these games, Kakak Iran,
Yes.
not only games, because this is also teach us about some values.
Yes, that's right.
For example, togetherness.
Togetherness.
So how we can always that
to be a good
to be a
team,
good- good
coordination.
team, coordination. So that's why we also have a good plan
Yeah,
to
yes.
be the winners of
yes,
this
yes.
game.
Well, the strategy, the good strategy
Strategy.
for don't not catch by the Goak. Okay.
Yeah, so we need really togetherness to how to make Goak cannot catch the people in line, something like that. So teman Pro 2, we can also say that Goakan is simple games, because no need equipment.
No
It
need
just,
tools, yeah.
tools. And I still remember Kakak
Yeah.
Iran, you have played it before,
Okay.
Yeah, when we doing is that report something like that.
yeah.
I also try to play how we play that games, and
Yeah.
really interesting. And what is that? It's really
It's so
amazing.
it's fun. It's happy.
Love so much because
yeah.
the yard also what is
Yeah.
that? A lot of water, like
yeah,
we
yeah.
played very fun. Many
Yeah.
love there because not only in a yard, in the what's that? In the yard
Yeah,
in Panji village. Not
Yeah.
only one groups played there, but also
so many
several groups in the yard. So this make
Okay.
really interesting to
Yeah,
see.
that the most make me amazed like that, because when we say want to start this game, especially we say Goak like that, it's make spirit of the player,
the team, something like that.
yes.
So
Okay.
don't be cowed by the Goak.
Okay.
So if you want to see how display what is it, this game played,
game
you can visit Panji village.
Yes.
A day after Silent Day
Silent
on
Day.
Nyepi Day in Ngembak Geni.
Ngembak Geni. And maybe you will watch about the Goak-Goakan in
right.
YouTube or
Oh,
social
yes.
media to know what is Goak-Goakan.
Yes.
Okay.
And we will back and also serve you another games or traditional games in Bali.
Listen,
tuned.
Pro 2 RRI Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu.
RRI Digital. Nikmati kemudahan interaksi, partisipasi, dan kolaborasi dengan RRI Digital. Interaksi, dengar dan saksikan siaran langsung kami, daftarkan akun kamu, dan mulailah berinteraksi di setiap program dan konten kami. Partisipasi, kreasikan konten kamu dengan berita, podcast, vlog, film, musik, dan playlist. Kolaborasi, kami mengajak berbagai komunitas untuk berkembang bersama melalui digital platform. RRI Digital. sekarang menghadirkan terobosan baru, Workspace Platform dan Online Learning Platform dengan fasilitas-fasilitas unggulan, monitor impact dan outcome, meeting online, video conference, dan library. RRI Digital menghadirkan fitur-fitur untuk peningkatan interaksi, partisipasi, kolaborasi, workspace, dan learning. Yuk, segera download RRI Digital.
Baik, akan dilanjutkan dengan permainan tradisional meong-meongan persembahan dari Desa Tomuku. Meong-meongan adalah permainan tradisional yang berasal dari Bali. Permainan tersebut umumnya dimainkan oleh anak-anak dengan diiringi nyanyian meong-meongan. Meong-meongan dimainkan oleh 8 orang atau lebih. 1 orang berperan sebagai bikul dan 1 orang berperan sebagai meng. Dan permainan lainnya bertugas melindungi bikul dari meng dengan cara membentuk lingkaran, di mana setelah akhir lagu, meng akan berusaha menangkap bikul yang berada di dalam lingkaran.
Well, teman Pro 2, meong-meong, ale jebikule.
Yeah, this is one also a song ya when I childhood and still
Yes.
remember still now.
Yeah.
Meong alik jebikule, bikul gede-gede ya kan. And
This like Tom and Jerry ya.
Yes,
Meong
Tom, Meong
is
and,
it's Tom.
it's Tom.
Jerry and is Bikul ya.
Yeah,
Okay.
bikul or mouse, and
Yeah.
then we said bikul in Bali,
Yeah.
known as
Mhm.
what's that? Mouse,
Mouse,
and
yeah.
then meong,
Meong is cat.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's
not
kind
cat woman but only cat.
cat,
Yeah.
yeah. That's why this traditional games, yeah, called meong-meongan. It's like Tom and Jerry,
Tom
yeah,
and
because
Jerry.
they will what's that?
Catch.
Catch what?
Tom catch the
Jerry, yeah. Meong catch the mouse,
Mouse.
yeah, or bikul
Yeah.
in these games. And
Yeah.
actually, these games come from originally from Karangasem
Karangasem
Regency.
Regency,
Yeah,
yeah.
and also not only played by the Balinese people, but
okay.
also some areas also have the same games
Yeah.
and rules, but only the difference name, yeah.
Yeah.
And also Kak Iren,
Yeah.
when we play this game, it's also accompanied by the song that we played before, yeah.
yeah.
Meong
Meong. And then jok bikul.
Jok bikul.
Meong, jok bikul.
Jok
Like
jok means
Jok we catch, yeah.
Yeah.
catch the mouse, catch the come on, cat. You should catch the bikul,
bikul,
or
yeah,
the
yeah.
mouse. Okay, I like that.
Yeah, and yeah, as I said, we can imagine the Tom and Jerry movie,
Yeah.
yeah, how they run, yeah,
run.
one another to catch, Tom want to catch Jerry. The play of this Meong-meongan, the games of Meong-meongan also like that. So one player role as Bikul and one as Meong.
Okay.
And the other, it can be played around what, 8
and
people?
then more.
And more, and then the rest of them will what's that? Will make a circle. Yeah, round circle, and then also it's what's that? It's like same as meong-meong. No, mogok-goakan.
Yeah.
Plate, yeah, the robot, if mogok-goakan in line, but this is round or circle.
Circle,
something
yeah,
like
to make a
that.
circle. So, the game will depend on how strong the fort is built. Yeah, if the
Yeah.
people who become a fortress,
Fort.
yeah, cannot keep up the agility of the cat, so then the mouse will be easily caught. The player who become the fort will sing the song meong meong. Yeah, and when the person as a cat can catch the bikul of the mouse. It's changed a rope.
Rule, yeah.
Okay.
Also, that's why the fourth here is it's also the key.
Yeah.
How to what's that? To make the bikul safe. Can be catched by the meow.
Like that.
Okay.
Okay.
And is that? Is it kind of funny and interesting also?
Yes, that's right.
And you know, Kakak Iren, nowadays the Balinese traditional games, what's that? Again, to not only the new formulated, so that the kids now interesting to play, in the schools and also in some area in Bali also start to try to introduce these games to kids in the village, and also it's kind of a good programs that can be adapted by every school here in Bali, so that the people, because nowadays kids always playing gadgets, so that they can be forgot the traditional ones. So this is our rules to again to introduce the traditional games so that we will last and also known by the children nowadays.
Okay. There is what is that? Is it one more games? Tris, we will talk about. This is about curi,
Curi,
same like a meow meow. This game also have a song. It's called same like a game curi. Sementalang buku tiang meli poh is a mango. Okay.
Ajisat terus
Keteng. Okay.
Just to remember how the song is sing, and also curi mean a kind of birds also in Bali, isn't it? Kedis curi. Curi bird. And also this game is played by minimum 5 until 4 till 5 people, and 2 people as gate makers,
left and
isn't
right,
it?
Okay.
And then the other natural lines up in a circle to form number 8 through the gates that is made. So
like this, line 1, group A, group B, and then like this. Same like in Indonesia, we call ular naga panjang.
So left and right, we is that hands up, and then the rest is
make
go
a
through,
line,
go through the pyramid that we made. Okay. How to place the chart right in the middle of the gate at the songs, and will be
close like that, and then given a personal choice, you will left gate on
or
right.
So we can choose. So and the winner of this game is the group who have
personal
team more personnel members when they
in the
close
team.
So that's actually
simple one,
but interesting. Maybe if we play with many people, that will be more interesting. Because the line will longer. Okay, what's next, Kakak Iren? We still have another games.
So don't go away.
Kom 4 FM,
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu.
teman terbaik kamu.
In English Corner.
Yay, but it's the last segment actually, teman Pro 2, and we are going talking about gasing.
This is also one of Balinese traditional games. Come from Buleleng Regency. And this is also often played not only for children but also for adults can play this game.
Yeah, that's
And
right.
also what's actually gasing? Yeah, we say gasing or also known as gangsing.
Gangsing, yeah.
Yeah, and this is type of spinning top, yeah, made from kind of bamboo, something like that, yeah, Kakak Iren.
Yes.
And it is also have long stick which is pointy at the bottom. So with a big cylinder in the middle. So
Okay.
this will what's it how the gasing will spinning around and round, something like that, yeah. And to spin it, there's also a string with a handle on it, yeah, and there's one around the top of the stick, and then pull quickly, and then to release and spin the top.
Yeah, so there is a hole at the top of the cylinder that makes a whistling sound when it spins.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like something like that. Depend on the what's that the ground. The what's the sound will be different, something like that, Kak Iren.
Yes, that's right.
And also, yeah, even it's played for all ages, but usually it's played by the boys, not the girl. Yeah, and because it needs what's that? Energy to pull down.
Yes, pull down the gasing,
The gasing is a top made from bamboo. It's small opening on the side. Yeah,
that's right.
It will be different on the size. It can be small or the big one. And some depend on the player.
Yeah,
isn't it, Kak Iren?
Yeah, that's
And then
right.
also the size of the hole. It can be determines the pitch of the whistle.
Yes, and string it one around the towel that goes through the center of the gasing, and the child then holds onto the flat bamboo handle that is tied to the end of the string and pulls the handle to set the gangsing spinning.
Yeah, and if we said the size is normally the diameter of the gasing is 50 centimeters, yeah, circle around the ground and then in diameter. And also the children usually how to play gasing. It's all usually against one to another, something like that. There are two players in gasing, and then against each other. So the winner is whose gasing is spinning longer, yeah, something like that. So here the object of the game is to try and knock your opponent's gangsing out of the design circle. So the longer time here gasing spinning is the winner.
Yes. Okay. So it's enough for today. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for also for the comment on the YouTube goak-goakan kites, and then what is it, hide and seek, menggangsingan, and then it's to try
Yeah, and also actually there's still several traditional games, but because the time is up, so maybe we can talk about it later, Kakak Iren, to show you or maybe introduce you some or others traditional games. But yeah, today is because the time is up, so it's time for us to say goodbye to you, teman Pro 2. Don't forget to listen us next week.
Thank you so much, Irana Mora.
Andres Mallory, say goodbye.
Bye.
Karena udah jam 6 sore, sembahyang puji Trisanya dulu yuk.